Can I turn off suggested contacts on Messenger?
Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about a common question that many Messenger users have. Can I turn off suggested contacts on Messenger? Yes, you can. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of how you can achieve this.
What are suggested contacts?
Before we get into the how, let's first understand the what. Suggested contacts in Messenger are recommendations that Facebook's algorithm makes based on your friend list, the groups you're a part of, the pages you've liked, and other various interactions on Facebook.
Why would you want to turn off suggested contacts?
There could be a number of reasons why you might want to turn off suggested contacts. Some people prefer to control their own friend discovery process. Others might find the suggestions distracting or irrelevant. Whatever your reason, the good news is, you have control over this feature.
How to turn off suggested contacts?
Now to the main part. Here's how you can turn off suggested contacts on Messenger. 1. Open the Messenger app on your smartphone. 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open the settings menu. 3. Scroll down and tap on People. 4. In the People menu, you will see the Sync Contacts option. 5. Turn off Sync Contacts. This will stop Facebook from continuously syncing your phone's contacts with Messenger. Do note, turning off Sync Contacts will not remove already uploaded contacts. To remove these contacts, you need to go to the Manage Your Uploaded Contacts screen and follow the instructions. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off suggested contacts on your Messenger. You can now enjoy a distraction-free messaging experience. If you have any further queries or need more help, feel free to ask in the comments below. Stay tuned for more handy Messenger tips and tricks.